Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add an effects on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application. So now you can just add a new project if you have no video yet, but you can also use your previous project that you have. So here I will use my previous project. So here I already have a video on my project as well as the sound, but I want to delete the sound first so that we can focus on the effects for this video. Okay, so for adding an effects for this video is just go by focusing your eyes into the bottom features here, and then just go click on effects tools, and now you can choose either you want to do a video effects, body effects if there is if on your video there is people or person there. You can also do a photo effect as well as an AI effect, but today let's do with the video effects. And now you just need to choose which effect that you want to apply into your video. You just need to go scrolling down. I suggest you to just scrolling into the trending, means that this effects already filtered by the Capcut, that and this effect is used by a lot of Capcut user. So you just need to scrolling down and find out which effects that probably suit into your needs. Okay, let's find out first. Okay, I think I already got one. So I want to do this zoom lens so that there will be a zooms effects on my video right there. Okay, and after that you're done choosing the effect, just need to click done. And now you can see that this effect only apply until this point. So you can make this effect apply into the whole clip by drag this end part of these effects into the right side until they have the same length with the video or the clip. And now let's take a look on the result right there. So that's all the way how to add effects on your video by Capcut application. So if you find a tutorial today is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.